Okay guys, this is the unboxing of the Bose SoundSport Free wireless, truly wireless headsets, and we're just going to take a look and see what's inside the package here. Okay guys, nice little case, everything in there. So in here, pretty much, you know, everyone knows what this is. This is pretty much the books, pamphlets. Okay. You got some earplugs, ear tips, USB, and here are the Bose. Okay, let's see if we can open them up, and there they are. Got a little bit of a charge, not much, but nice. They're nice. Give these a review at my website, richadams.ca, and we'll give them a go. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the Bose SoundSport Free.